President stated in no uncertain terms to the Chinese ambassador the collective anger of the Filipino people over the incident. The President is a very diplomatically proper person. However, it is important to state that unconditionally and unequivocally he stood for our rights under the Constitution, the welfare of our country in various activities that we have been threatened, and he stated in no uncertain terms the anger of the Filipino people over that unjustifiable incident. I believe there was an agreement to embargo the contents of the conversation, but the Chinese ambassador was the first one to violate that embargo by having that ambush interview right after the talk.
Thank you, Secretary.
And after that, he claims the next day that there was an agreement not to talk about it after he already talked about it. I must call that out.